Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my video. Today I got to talk about the true Dhamma or Nirvana for early people who have troubled wisdom. If you are a real person who want to attain Nirvana this life, you have to listen to me early because I have attained Nirvana for 19 years. I'm ready to help everyone on this earth to attain Nirvana this life as well. I'm ready. But are you ready? It's up to you. The topic to speak in this video. Let's take a look. The realization of the thoughts are nature aware of nature. Doesn't mean we are aware. The true Dhamma in Buddhism, we study only the subject of the mind. We did not study about the human existence because our true self doesn't really exist. Can you understand me? The Lord Buddha taught people to attain Nirvana this life. Everything on this earth is soulless. It's not an ego. Can you understand me? Our true self doesn't really exist. The topic to speak in this video, I say, the realization of the thoughts are nature aware of nature. Doesn't mean we are aware. Why did I say that? If you want to overcome anger, overcome suffering, overcome depression and anxiety, the best way, as I told you, the best way to solve life problem, the best way to end all suffering, nothing more to study than this. The best way is until you can realize your thought. That means you have mindfulness and wisdom to end all suffering. The true Dhamma in Buddhism, we study only the subject of the mind. We did not study about the human existence because our true self doesn't really exist. Can you understand me? Because our true self doesn't really exist. The true Dhamma in Buddhism is not possible to teach either because there's nothing to teach. And the most important is there's no language to say. This is the reason that I have to borrow the fictional language to create content and story to talk to you for understanding about the various ideas what hard possession. Because the ideas is the heart of cause of all suffering. I forbid you to practice about non-attachment, letting go. If you want to overcome anger, overcome suffering, or if you want to solve life problem, don't make meditation and mindfulness training because it's not about anything. The true Dhamma in Buddhism is not about anything. The true Dhamma in Buddhism is not in the teaching of monk. It's not in the teaching of monk or nun. True Dhamma or Nirvana is not in Prattai Bidok, but it's in your thought, it's in my thought. Can you understand me? If you want to solve life problem, as I told you, until you can realize your thought. Topic to speak in this video, I say, the realization of the thought are nature aware of nature. Doesn't mean we are aware because our true self doesn't really exist. Realization of the thought is the best way to avoid suffering. If you want to succeed in everything, the realization of the thought is the best way. Not more to study than it. Every story I convey in the video, I don't teach you anything, but I have to borrow the fictional language to create content and story to talk to you for understanding about the various ideas or thought processes. until you can realize your thought. Can you understand me? Through Dhamma in Buddhism, we study only the subject of the mind. We did not study about human existence because our true self is doesn't really exist. Topic to speak in this video, I say the realization of the thoughts are nature aware of nature. Doesn't mean we are aware. You know, we are not human beings. We are just something which happened to the mindful awareness. Can you understand me? No one is happy, no one suffers, no one angry because our full self is doesn't really exist. Can you understand me? Every story I convey in the video, I want you to understand about the thought process. Nothing more true study than this. The true Dhamma in Buddhism, there's nothing to teach. There's nothing to teach. And the most important is there's no language to say. Can you understand me? You know, if you want to solve life problem, if you want to overcome anger, overcome suffering, overcome depression and anxiety, the best way, until you can realize your thought. That means you have mindfulness and wisdom to end the false suffering. In reality, the true Dhamma in Buddhism is not possible to teach each other because there's nothing to teach. Why do you say that? The true Dhamma in Buddhism is suitable for only people who have the most wisdom. Can you understand me? The true Dhamma in Buddhism is suitable for only people who have the most wisdom. If you want to overcome anger, overcome suffering, overcome depression and anxiety, the best way to solve life problem, the best way to the false suffering, until you can realize your thought. That means you have mindfulness and wisdom to the false suffering, and finally you can live without wanting happiness and without suffering. Please bear in mind.